3, 2, 1.
Got a blast! So, what do you guys want to do today?
Hang out with your mom?
3, 2, 1.
Suck my ass.
To the stars. 3, 2, 1.
Got a blast!
Once when I was 7 years old, I sat on a banana, and of course, that changed my life.
I don't remember buying this brand of soda.
No, Mom. Mom, you,
Jimmy, it's just soda.
Mom, no!
Goodness.
Sorry, Janari. Sorry.
Nigga, that's some
Boy!
If I did, I'd menage with him and let him eat my ass like a
Croissant?
Question for you.
Are you going to finish that croissant? 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 Croissant?
Coffee back.
Can you tell me your name?
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant? Croissant? Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
He opens his mouth.
Croissant?
Mom's
Croissant?
but he keeps mom's
Croissant?
mom's
Croissant?
but he keeps mom's
Croissant? 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 Croissant?
Size matter?
How do I put a condom on with my mouth?
Are you going to finish that croissant?
Talk to your kids about having
That croissant?
so tall and handsome as hell. He's so bad, but he does it so well.
Notice the sprung.
Can you make it to the...
Sheen, go home.
I've got a boyfriend!
Huh? Who is she?
She's my sweet ass. Here's her picture.
Take this the wrong way, Carl. You're a nerd. What does she see in you?
I sent her some pictures.
Man!
I didn't think she'd like it. Boy who sleeps with llamas and has unsightly spots all over his... Anyway, Elkie has...
Fucking count me out!
Oh, come on, Jimmy. Just let Carl pretend to be you.
I'm not letting Carl touch me!
I said you were a whore.
Come on, Jimmy.
Ass.
Okay.
Say shit.
Yeah?
Après-vous. Oh, that's French for gay.
May I suggest push the arm missiles button?
I know what button to button.
I'll teach you how to fucking blow it.
You must have put poop in my hover car. Don't ever let it happen again.
Sorry, Carl.
And it's
Mr. Bean.
to you.
May we go to see your lab now?
You got it. Now, let me see.
Push the arm missiles button.
Oh, yeah, these ones.
Make with this saving the day now, Carl?
Nuts. Fire!
I have confession to make. I am
Mr. Bean.